Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Mahesh with the new video. This is Mahesh. In today's video I am going to show you a popular Thai food which is similar to Indian style. In Andhra Pradesh we call it as Purnam Kudumulu, a traditional Andhra dish which is prepared with wheat flour, chenna dal and jaggery during Ganesh Chaturthi and other festivals. In North India they call as Gujia. In simple words, a sweet deep fried dumplings. This Thai dish also looks similar to our Indian style, but they are called here as puffs. This shop name also starts with curry puffs. Let me show you with the translator. But the traditional name of this dish is called curry puff. They have both veg and non-veg options, which will come with different fillings like chicken, taro, sweet beans and coconut. They are selling these curry puffs in these boxes and each box contains 6 pieces. The price is 100 Thai baht. In Indian currency, it's around 250 to 260 rupees currently. We can choose any filling. We finished already 3 pieces. My friend is trying chicken curry puff. You can see the chicken filling inside this curry puff. The preparation method is also similar to our style. That is the reason the texture and the filling looks the same. This is vegetarian with the sweet beans filling. This is with the taro filling. This taro one looks exactly like our Purnam Kudumulu, which we make with chenna dal and jaggery. The taste of these curry puffs is very good. This dish is very popular among locals and tourists as well. I mentioned this address in the description. When you visit Bangkok next time, try this curry puff dish without fail. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.